This is your LinkedIn content marketing video playbook, what to do right now. Content marketing on LinkedIn is a great way to reach out to your audience and build trust and relationships with potential clients. Today, I'm going to show you 3 ways to use content marketing on LinkedIn to get new clients from LinkedIn. What's up, everybody? It's Prouty, and for the last 23 years, I have had thousands of paying clients come to me to help them wildly grow their businesses. These are people who can impact lives and simply want to profit doing something that they love. So I help them do that, but not in a way like you might think. You're here watching this video to learn how to get new clients into your business. I create training like this every single week. If you'd like to jump the line and get this training before anyone else, now is the time to subscribe to this channel. The first way that I'm going to teach you is super obvious, but you'd be surprised how few people actually consider their target audience when they're creating their content. What do most people do is they create content that's all about themselves, when in fact your market wants to hear about the transformation that awaits them in working with you. So get to know your audience, understand their pain, understand their desires, understand the things that are holding them back, and create content that builds a bridge from where they are now to where they wish to be. That's how you win with content marketing in general, but in particular on LinkedIn. Next, make sure you're engaging with your audience, and this goes well beyond replying to comments on your content. Engage them in conversations through LinkedIn Messenger, but whatever you do, don't slam them with a sales pitch. Instead, ask them meaningful questions that's going to help you create better and better content going forward. When you engage with your audience, you demonstrate that you're an expert, that you have authority, and that they can trust you with the problem that they have, and they can trust that you can offer them a solution. If you're going to use content marketing on LinkedIn, it's going to be important to hold your audience's interest. You'll hold their interest by using interesting visuals in your content. So make sure you're including great pictures or infographics, visuals, animated GIFs, videos, whatever you can put into your content that grabs their interest and holds their interest is going to do amazing things for your engagement, your interaction, and ultimately your ability to acquire clients from LinkedIn. I'll share my biggest tip with you in just a moment. If any of this resonated with you, I've created an on-demand class that you can go to right here. Just visit proutyclass.com. Prouty's my last name, class is what I'm giving. That class you can start watching the second you get on that page. That class is going to teach you a step-by-step strategy for predictably attracting clients from social media, including LinkedIn. All right, so go visit proutyclass.com and check out that on-demand class. The biggest tip I can give you if you're content marketing on LinkedIn is to inject your personality into everything that you do. This is especially true if you are your product. What does that mean? Well, I'm my product. I'm the one that mentors and does the work with my clients. So I'm the product. So I'm going to inject me and my personality into everything that I do in my content marketing. By doing that, your audience is going to get to know you long before you ever enter into any kind of a sales conversation. And that's going to make the process of turning a stranger into a client even easier. And while what I just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing you need right now. YouTube thinks this video is going to help you, so you should probably check that out. But before you do, click on my face so that you get first access to every new training I create.